Yo, welcome back YouTube to another episode of Cadillac Chronicles. Now today we got a special thing going on, something different. The vinyl top has got a couple holes in it and we need to seal that up. Why it's important, how I'm gonna do it, all that good stuff in the rest of the video. So make sure you stay tuned if you want to know how to fix these little minor holes or scratches, nicks in vinyl tops or any kind of tops that's not hard, you know what I'm saying? You want to know more about that, make sure you stay tuned.
Living on borrowed time, so I gotta keep it moving. It don't make sense, then I gotta keep it moving. She ain't helping me build, then I gotta keep it moving. Miss me with the excuses, so I gotta keep it moving. Currency is the motive, so I gotta keep it moving. You don't work, you don't eat, so I gotta keep it moving. Goals to achieve, so I gotta keep it moving. There's them and then there's me, so I gotta keep it moving. Born broke, so the mentality's always been there. Different bloodlines, so you know it's never been fair.
Yo, but today we out here, we gotta get going. Check out the drip, just a little something. But anyways, we gotta, before we get to the top and repairing it and all that good stuff, we need to go get a few things. I need to go get something, a few things, and we need to go wash the top because you can't fix it without cleaning it first. So let's go get that done and we'll get going to the rest of it. It's been needing a good wash, so let's rinse it off and do what we can do.
Hard from massive trees, Amazon. Said it's all red lights, like the cameras on. I hit the streets, home for one night closed.
Alright YouTube, change the outfits because it might get messy. I don't want to get my good one dirty, so we'll get to work on this vinyl top and let me show you what I'm going to use. Now this is what I'm using. As long as it's a clear silicone, you know what I'm saying, it'll work. Any clear silicone will work. I got this at AutoZone, and you're gonna need some masking tape, and you're gonna need a piece of cardboard. Okay, so this is what you're gonna need. Real simple fix to repair the tops on your for vinyl or anything like leather or anything like that. This is what you need. Now as you can see, it's an old car, so you know what I'm saying, you got little things like this, you know what I'm saying, it's already starting to separate right here, but that's not really a big issue because all this will slide down, the water will slide down. And back here, it's starting to crack already, you know what I'm saying, but like I said, it's a 30-year-old car, you know what I'm saying. Back here it's getting worse with sun damage, but like I said, there's no big issue right here. The main issue is on top. Now here's the main issue right there and right there, you know what I'm saying, because the water can sink in here and possibly damage the inside of your roof. So these are the ones we're gonna take care of because the rest will just slide off, you know what I'm saying. So we got another one right here, so these are the ones we're gonna take care of. Now you're gonna need some of these, any wipes will do. Now, as y'all know, we washed the car already, let it dry, but just for an extra precaution, we're gonna go ahead and wipe down the areas about 5 inches around, just so we can make sure it's clean, because we're gonna put some masking tape on there. We want to make sure the silicone sticks. Okay, so make sure you do all that. Wash it, let it dry. Just if you want to, you can. You don't have to. It's just an extra bonus to, you know, get a disinfectant or some kind of wipe and clean around the area about 5 inches. That way when you put the tape on, it doesn't come off, and when you put the silicone, it stays. Before we get any further in this video and we, you know, get back to the touching up or the fixing of the vinyl top, make sure y'all do me a favor, hit that like button, smash that notification bell so you can be notified first when I drop new content, and make sure, most importantly, subscribe to the channel. I know a lot of y'all ain't subscribed, it's cool and all that, but it helps the channel. So do your boy solid, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you follow me on all social media. All the links will be down in the description below. You can follow me on Twitter right there, you can follow me on Instagram right here, and you can also follow me on TikTok right there, where I am most at, or not where I'm most active, but where I post exclusive content that I don't post to other social media platforms and YouTube. So make sure you follow your boy, and yeah, let's get back to the rest of the video. Now y'all see what extra help that, you know, that wipe did? It got that area around it just a little bit more clean. You know what I'm saying? Now you're gonna want to get your masking tape. You can get, you know, painter's tape, masking tape. It's all the same. Just don't get duct tape or clear tape, because it's not gonna do what needs to be done. All right, so get this and let's get started. Now what you want to do is create like a little square, about an inch around. You know what I'm saying? All the way around. And this is just so, you know, the silicone don't go all over the place. Okay, so just a little square all the way around, not too much. And you're just gonna repeat that process for the rest of them. Now these are the only 4 spots we got on the car that need, you know, tending to. Everything else is, you know, it doesn't need it. You know what I'm saying? Just these are the 4 major spots, so we're gonna get these taken care of. Now get just, if you want to, you can get some gloves. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to, but just an extra precaution. And instead of, you can use a spreader, some kind of plastic. I'm using a piece of cardboard, and of course we got our silicone. Now let's go ahead and pour the silicone on there. You could put it on, you know, a little thick, because you're gonna spread it out anyways. Okay, so do that, and then do this. Don't do too many at a time. Try to just do, you know, a couple at a time first, and then go from there. Okay, so we got our silicone on there. Let it set, and then just spread it. Spread it. Okay. Do the same thing with this other one. Spread it. And you want to do it so it's got an even layer all the way around, so the water is less likely to get in there. Now this one don't need a lot because it's not really penetrated or anything. So again, the same thing. Don't be afraid to layer it on. Alright, second one. And now you're just gonna let it set for about 5 minutes, and we're gonna apply another coat just to be on the safe side. So wait 5 minutes, and then let's do it again. Now that you gave it, you know, a little bit of time to, you know, rest, we're gonna give it another coat just to be on the safe side. Okay. Alright, well, so we gotta let that cure for 24 hours. Alright, but I'm gonna give it a little bit more just in case. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when it's all final done, you know, all cured and everything, and we'll take it off and see how it turned out. Alright, so see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Yo, what is up? Well, it is currently the next day, so let's go see what, you know, take all the peeling off and all that and see how the silicone did on the vinyl top. Okay, as you see, you know what I'm saying? It dried up pretty well, so we're gonna go ahead and start taking all this off. And this is the finished product. Alright, now that's the finished product on the Cadillac. You know what I'm saying? Just, this is not a permanent thing. Like, you know, you're probably gonna ask, why don't I just replace the top? Why don't I just redo the top? Well, I do not know if I'm gonna go that route yet, because not just anybody can, you know, redo a vinyl top and have it come out, what you call it, like a factory perfect, you know what I'm saying? Because I've seen some people get theirs done and it starts curling and stuff like that. I don't want to have that issue, and it's hard to find someone to do vinyl tops the right way. So that's why I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep the vinyl top or if I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and just paint on, you know, keep paint on top of it and make it a hard top. I haven't made that decision quite yet, so that's why that little silicone fixture, silicone fix right now is just to keep it from, you know, going bad, you know what I'm saying, for getting any water leaking into the roof, you know, eating away at the metal, all that. That's just a temporary fix that you could use for the time being if you can't afford to go ahead and get the whole top replaced, or if you don't know what you're gonna do like I am at this current moment. But that's a quick little fix. As you saw, you got everything nice and square, got a nice little barrier around it, so it's gonna protect it from water and any elements that might try to get into it, you know what I'm saying? Just a quick little fix. So if you want to get your, you know, vinyl top fixed, you know, just a quick little patch, use silicone, do it that way. I promise it works. Talk to me about OG. So appreciate y'all. This will be all for today's Cadillac Chronicles episode, and stay tuned. We got another one coming up next month. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you follow me on social media. All the links will be down in the description below. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, make sure you follow me on Instagram, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? Most importantly. And I'll see you guys next time on Cadillac Chronicles.